Hello viewers, today in this video I am gonna show you how to fix YouTube Incognito Mode option not showing problem. Okay, let's start the video. First of all, click on YouTube apps. Now tap on profile icon. There is no option to view YouTube Incognito. Here, don't worry, I will show you how to find YouTube Incognito option. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your Play Store, update your YouTube apps. Search icon, now search for YouTube apps. Now tap on YouTube apps. It is already updated. Now go back your home screen and go to your YouTube apps. Now tap on profile icon. YouTube is changing their policy, due to which now all the options are coming together. Now tap on account. Now tap on turn on incognito. Now tap on guard it. Now you can turn this option off and on if you want. Now tap on turn off incognito. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem. Thank you.